Okay, let's pick up from the previous example where we had a Slack private channel sending messages to Google Sheets. As you see here, we were limiting the maximum number of results to one every single time. But let's say we limit these to two at a time. And now we type two messages. This is the second message. I'll press run once, and it goes through each of those. So there's one result from here, but there are two bundles. And a bundle is one item of data. It's like one row or one record, depending on what app you're using. But it's really easy to understand here because every message accounts for one bundle. And then when we go to the second module, those are processed twice because we have the first message, which is processed as a new row, and the second one here as well. Make is already able to handle these multiple records within this simple flow as it is. Now, if we go here, we see there are two operations run, and we look at the details of each. You can see it's inserted the rows, and you can see the results. Let's go back here, and again, we can see it's added each of those rows separately. And it's important to note, every time one item in a bundle is run, so every time a module is hit, it's going to use another operation. In this case, we use this watch private messages in our Slack channel. It used one operation. When it went to the next stage, it went to this twice, so it used two operations that we see up here. This is not very much, but if you're using an application that has very large amounts of operations and you have a big flow, you could use your operations quite quickly, so it's something to keep in mind. But Make.com is pretty generous in terms of the number of operations within its pricing, so it's not too much of a problem unless you have a large amount of data in your workflows. In the next section, I'm going to go through scheduling because this is a little bit complicated when you come across it at the start.